birthday party, don't invite any friends because you can spread the virus even more. Your friends can celebrate at her home. Second thing, don't ever, if you go out, always put like a mask on and carry a little pack of hand sanitizer, put it on your hands and rub it. Third thing, always make love.
The fourth thing you should do, make sure if you go somewhere, always have a little bit of hand sanitizer. You can put it on your hands. The fifth thing you should do, make sure to always, if you come back, wash your hands, dry it, and put a little bit hand sanitizer on and rub it. The sixth thing you should do, make sure to always do not go to clubs or parties or